Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good. It's a perfect weather. I like that trunk there. Sometimes I sit there and I talk. If I'm doing a talking video. Hi folks, this is Dave with Dave's Hikes, New Mexico. If you like this kind of content, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like. Follow me if you like. About 2 years ago, I started the YouTube channel. I had never thought of going public with my life. And then I thought, what the heck? You'd just be another crazy old guy on YouTube. But what I was looking forward was that I do go hiking and traveling anywhere from 3 to 4 times a week. Sure. Thanks for letting me know. And but what I was really thinking it would do, it would be encourage me to continue to hike, which is what I want. The reason I'm doing this hiking is to keep healthy as much as possible. So as we get older, and especially if we have time and we're retired, we should really continue to exercise, continue to be active, because the alternative is not good. So, and I thought if I did the YouTube channel, there's a woodpecker here somewhere. I hear him. Oh, I see him now. Okay. He's got a red neck. I hope he comes out. Oh, there it is. There's a lot of wood out here. So by doing a YouTube channel, it motivates me to keep coming out, and that way I'll bring you guys and share the areas I've gone to and I'm going to. But at the same time, I get encouraged to continue to hike and continue to do exploring. So it helps out for what I wanted to do. I know there's not a lot of people subscribed to my channel. There's a lot of people watching the videos, apparently. Yeah, the trees are, the leaves are beginning to fall off. And today is a little windy. early this morning I had a meeting, so I couldn't make it out here, but then early in the morning is still too cold, so I prefer to come out later in the day. I think right now it's about 11:30. There's a bike coming through. Let me get out of the way. Take care.
Hello.
Hey.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thanks.
Hey. Usually on the weekends, there's more people out here. That's why my preference is to go traveling and hiking and camping during the week when there's less people. But this is an awesome day today again. Blue skies, temperature 61 degrees. It's just awesome. These cottonwood trees, I really like them, and it's because they have the northerly branches. So they twist around and stuff. It looks different than other trees and other cottonwoods in different areas. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm wearing my earpiece mic. If it's too low, maybe turn up the volume on your phone or your computer. I don't like to talk very loud. I don't know if you guys have noticed that in some of the videos I may add some music, but my preference in music is something that's a little bit more quiet and relaxing. That has been my style most of my life. I like quiet. I don't like noisy places. I never have, even as a child. I didn't care to play around too much with other little kids when I was a young kid, because I thought they made too much noise. They were always screaming and horse playing, and I never cared for that. So I have been different all my life. We do not have to be like everybody else. We can all decide to do our life the way we want it. There's a strong smell of a horse nearby. Now here's another. I find this trunks beautiful. I'm gonna take a picture of this and use it as a thumbnail.